Hey, Aka, in your opinions, what are some of the renovation woes that every homeowner will face in Singapore?
My main concern are the budget, the design, and how long the renovation will take.
I totally agree. I often wonder whether the ID can visualize what I actually want and whether they are able to design it.
That's true. Some of the interior designers, they are unable to visualize their clients' ideas and they simply come up with their own concept.
Exactly. Another doubt that I have is, the ID usually, they will come up with quotes and proposals that are different from the initial one that they presented, and it's totally a waste of time.
I agree. It's really energy draining.
You are correct. There's this online platform called Renopedia. They have all sorts of projects with over 200 firms to help you save time. All you have to do is to sign up on their website, and they will provide like 5 to 8 designers for you to choose from, and you are able to create your dream home within your budget.
Like what you say, it saves time and it is convenient.
Yeah, there are many homeowners' testimonial who uses Renopedia to achieve their dream home within their budget.
And homeowners can find inspiration and get the tips that can help them visualize their dream home.
You know what? All you have to do is to sign up on their website and you can win up to 50,000 through their lucky draw.
50,000?
And if you're a homeowner who's looking to build your dream home without overspending your budget, you know what you can do? Just click on the link below right now.